Very good morning, all of you. So today we'll start exercise 6.4, question number 7, and I will tell you today we'll completed exercise 6.4 also and chapter 6 also. Okay, so concentrate, all of you. Question number 7 says, in a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. That means obviously this is a right angle triangle. So I will make the triangle which is a right angle triangle, and in this is a right angle triangle, and in this question says angle B is equal to 90 degree. So you can say this is B and this is your 90 degree. Now I will tell you some information. This is A, this is C considered. So this is called hypotenuse, or you can say longer side. How you understand this is longer side? The front side of the angle 90 degree, that is called longer side. And if you know formula in this, when you draw any right angle triangle, so in this right angle triangle you can apply the law of Pythagoras theorem. What is the meaning of Pythagoras theorem? I hope all of you learned this formula in 7th class also. I will write here. Here I write it. C square is equal to A square plus B square. What is the meaning of C? अगर हम कंसिडर करें ये लॉन्गर साइड को C, कंसिडर ओनली C, दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B. इसको कुछ वैल्यूज भी ले सकते हैं हम, लाइक 5 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर, कंसिडर ओनली. सो C स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू मीन्स लॉन्गर साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ the square of the other two side. Okay, now take an question. In your question says if AB is equal to given 6 centimeter, AB is equal to given 6 centimeter, ये दे रखा है आपका 6 centimeter. BC is equal to means B is equal to given 8 centimeter. So what is the value of C? C का value find करना है. So let's start. How we solve the question? See carefully. This formula we have to apply. This formula. Okay. So or we can write down like this way also. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? AC स्क्वायर. ओके, सो क्या फाइंड करना है? AC. तो AC स्क्वायर, ओके, AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. ओके, AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. देख लो एक बार, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC don't know, we have to find out. Write down as it is. AC square, AB is equal to how many? 6 square. BC is equal to how many? 8 square. So AC square is equal to 6 square means 36, 8 square means 64. Okay, so AC square is equal to 36 plus 64, 100. Okay, now this square, yesterday also told me, AC is equal to, we have to find out this square convert into square root of 100. What is the square root of 100? All of you know, it is 10. So you can say AC is equal to 10 centimeter. All of you understand? Like this way you have to solve next question also. Just same formula you have to apply. See here. In this question says AC is equal to given, BC is equal to given, and AB you have to find out. So again you have to make this triangle. Just same right angle triangle at B. This is A, this is C. So AC is given how many? That is 13 centimeter. Length of AC is equal to given. Now BC is equal to given 5 centimeter, and AB is equal to don't know. Okay. Now formula same. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, all of you concentrate how I solve. Now AC is equal to 13, so 13 square. AB is equal to, write down as it is, AB square, because we don't know. BC square 5 square. 13 square how many? 169 is equal to AB square plus 25. Now we will find out AB square only. So that's why 25 you have to shift it this side. So 116 minus 25 is equal to AB square. ठीक है, अब इसको इस तरफ कर लो, उसको इस तरफ कर लो, जस्ट साइड चेंज. ओके, So AB square is equal to, we can write 169 minus 25, that is your 144. So similar way, AB only, we have to find out AB only. So square convert into square root 144. And what is the value of 144? 12. You can find out with the help of LCM prime factorization method also. What is the square root of 144? So AB is equal to how many? 12 centimeter. That is your complete answer. Okay, so like this we have to solve this type of question. You can apply this Pythagoras theorem. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Okay, thank you.